Welcome to the HiArc EHR system. Most of the features within HiArc are developed as independent modules, which allows this to be a very flexible and customizable system. Any new feature can be easily added and integrated into the system with no major rework or downtime. This is the administration module, in which we can add users and assign privileges. Administration is the main module of the system. We'll begin by logging in as an admin. Click on the Settings button at the top of the page. First, let's take a look at the module titled Role, which refers to any user type in the system. Click on the Role button located in the bottom left corner. All the current roles in the system are listed here. How to add a new role will be shown in just a bit. Click again on the Settings button at the top of the page, then click on Privileges in the lower right corner. Now we're seeing a list of privileges that can be assigned to each role. As you can see, it's a very extensive and comprehensive list. From here, an administrator can determine which privileges are assigned to each user type. By assigning specific privileges only to certain users, we can ensure that no user in the HiArc system will have access to unauthorized data, which is obviously very important for security and privacy purposes. Now let's add a new privilege to the system. Click on Add Privilege located under the HiArc logo on the left. Enter the name of the new privilege followed by a brief description. The name chosen here is how the privilege will be identified in the system. Click on Save and the new privilege will be added to the list. Next, we'll see how to create a new role in the system. Go back again to the Settings page and click on Role. Then click on Add Role located under the HiArc logo on the left. Choose a name for the new role and enter it into the text box. For our demo today, we'll add the role of Physician Assistant. Enter a brief description about the role in the next text box. Roles that already exist in the system are listed below. To help save some time, if you want the new role to have the same privileges as another role which already exists, click on the checkbox next to the existing role. All the privileges assigned to the selected role will also be assigned to the new one. You can also assign individual privileges to the new role from the privileges list. This can be done in addition to or instead of choosing inherited roles. Simply click on the checkboxes next to all the privileges you want to assign to the new role. When finished, click on Save Role at the bottom of the page to keep your changes. The new role will now be created and listed in the system. Click on the new role to see all the privileges that are assigned to it. You can add or remove any privilege if you'd like, and be sure to click on Save Role. Now let's see how to assign a privilege to an existing role. We will add the newly created privilege of Create Encounter Report to the role of Provider. From the Current Roles page, click on Provider. You can see the new privilege displayed in the privileges list. Select the privilege by checking the box next to it. Click on Save Role, and the new privilege will be added to that role. You can see how flexible and customizable HiArc is, making it easily adaptable to a wide variety of practices, regardless of size or specialty. This concludes the admin portion of this demo. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration video. Please contact us with any questions or feedback by calling our customer support hotline at 315-362-9800 or visit our website www.HiArcEHR.com. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the HiArc EHR system.